I ran into this last week, he as well fixed it for me. If you need to cancel your membership on the Best Buy app, follow these steps to make it quick and easy. Step 1. Open the Best Buy app. Launch the Best Buy app on your device. Make sure you're logged into the account associated with the membership you want to cancel. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Tap on the account icon, usually located at the bottom right corner of the app. This will take you to your account settings. Step 3. Find Membership Details. Scroll down to find the section labeled Membership or Subscriptions. Tap on it to view your current membership details. Step 4. Select Cancel Membership. Look for the option to cancel your membership. It may be labeled as Cancel Membership or End Subscription. Follow the prompts to confirm your cancellation. Note sometimes the cancel button can be hidden under a managed section, so check that if you don't see it right away. Step 5. Confirm cancellation. After selecting to cancel, you will likely receive a confirmation message. Make sure to read any details about what happens next and confirm your cancellation. I hope this helps you navigate the app smoothly. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.